Hey everyone, myself Mahesh. I warmly welcome to InCalFOS India. So today we are going to discuss about the infrared thermometer smart probe. We will discuss about the features, uses applications, technical data, practical working, and also we do unbox this product. So the product we have from German company called Testo. So let's unbox this product and see some cinematic shots. So let's unbox this product now. This is our product Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. With this product we get three things. We get an instruction manual. This is our instruction manual. We get a calibration protocol. This is our calibration protocol. And this is our instrument Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. Let's see the technical data of this product Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. Firstly, we see the general technical data of this product. Basically, weight of this product is 97 gram. Operating temperature of this product is -10 to +50 degrees Celsius. Product color is basically black and orange color combination. Battery life of this product is 30 hours, big battery life, and storage temperature of this product is -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. Let's see the infrared measurement related technical data. Measuring range of this product is -30 to +250 degrees Celsius. Accuracy of this product is ±2.5 degrees Celsius, and resolution of this product is 0.1 degree Celsius. So this is our product Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. Let's see the working of this product. Start the Testo smart app, and after press the start button of our instrument. Green signal is there, so our instrument is automatically connected with our smartphone. Let's measure the non-contact infrared temperature. So we are going to take readings of temperature. Then we have 10 readings of temperature. So let's generate the report. So this is our report. Basically tap the save option for generating the report, and tap the report option for generating report in PDF document. So this is our report. So you can analyze your temperature readings with using this instrument and Testo smart app. Let's see some features of this Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. One of the great thing in this instrument is a non-contact measurement and a totally app controlled instrument. Highly visible marking of the measuring spot, and with the help of this measuring spot you know preciously where to measure. Easy selection of emission level via stored material list. The most important feature in this product is the documentation with reading and measuring spot marking. With the help of Testo smart app you can download your readings measurement images in document format. So we discuss about the application of Testo 805i infrared thermometer smart probe. This product used in more industries for more applications, like ceramic industry. In this ceramic industry, this product used for non-contact temperature measurement of ceramic, like food industry, for non-contact temperature measurement of food, like metal industry for non-contact temperature measurement of metal, and this product is also applicable in heating, ventilation and air conditioning technologies. Then our videos are useful for you, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. For more information you can visit our official website. Our official website is www.calfos.in. You can follow us on social media under the name Calfos India. To be a part of Calfos India, thank you so much.